Handsome, where's Jennyman? Where's Jennyman? There he is. There's Jennyman up there, huh? Get him, Handsome. Psst, psst. What do you want from me? Huh? What do you want from me? Cutie? My cute boy. Yes. What do you want from me, baby? You're sweet. My sweet boy. Handsome. Handsome, do you want to go to the mall? Do you want to balance my checkbook? Huh? Where's Jennyman? Do you want to rotate my tires? Do you want to go outside? We'll go upstairs. Do you want your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball, Handsome? What? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, Handsome? Handsome. What's Jennyman doing back there, huh? What's the kitty doing? Oh, go night-night. Go night-night. Do you want to go see Renita? And go see your girlfriend? Go see Renita, Handsome. Oh, baby. Do you? Oh, what's Jennyman doing? Look. Look at Jennyman. Look at Jennyman. Jennyman. Hi, honey baby. Hi, Kit Kat. You want him to come down, huh, honey? So play with you. Oh, here he comes. Can you go get him? Where'd he go? Did he go outside? Did he go outside and leave you?